The history of permanent makeup, PMU, is a fascinating journey that traces the evolution of cosmetic enhancements from ancient times to the sophisticated techniques used in the modern beauty industry. This section will explore the origins, cultural contexts, and technological advancements that have shaped the field of permanent makeup. Permanent makeup, in its rudimentary form, can be traced back to ancient civilizations. The desire to enhance natural features, such as eyebrows, eyes, and lips, has been a consistent theme throughout history. In ancient Egypt and Rome, substances like soot and other natural materials were used to darken the eyebrows, eyelashes, and lips. These practices were often linked to social status and beauty standards of the time. Archaeological findings, including statues and paintings, depict figures with accentuated facial features, suggesting early forms of cosmetic enhancement. The use of traditional tattooing for cosmetic purposes has been documented in various cultures. In some societies, facial tattoos were a form of beautification, especially among women. This practice laid the groundwork for modern techniques of permanent makeup. The concept of permanent makeup as known today began to take shape in the 20th century, with the development of tattooing technology and changing beauty standards. In the early 1900s, permanent makeup was primarily used for corrective purposes, such as camouflaging facial scars or imperfections. It was during this period that tattoo artists started to adapt their tools and techniques for cosmetic use. The invention of the electric tattoo machine revolutionized both body tattooing and permanent makeup. This technology enabled more precise application, leading to more natural-looking results. The glamour of Hollywood in the mid-20th century played a significant role in popularizing permanent makeup. Movie stars and celebrities often use permanent makeup to maintain their on-screen appearance, influencing beauty trends among the general public. In recent decades, permanent makeup has experienced significant growth, both in popularity and in technological advancements. Modern permanent makeup techniques have evolved to offer a range of cosmetic enhancements, including microblading for eyebrows, eyeliner tattooing, lip coloring, and even scalp micropigmentation. These procedures offer long-lasting results that mimic conventional makeup and provide helpful camouflage of scars and bald spots to boost self-confidence. With the rise in demand, there has been an increase in regulatory oversight to ensure safety and hygiene standards. The Society of Permanent Cosmetic Professionals was founded in 1991 and has played a crucial role in elevating the industry through education, training, and adherence to high professional standards. Advancements in digital technology have enabled PMU artists to achieve unprecedented precision and customization, ensuring results that complement individual facial features and skin tones. The history of permanent makeup is a testament to the human desire for beauty and self-expression. From its ancient roots to its current status as a sophisticated cosmetic procedure, PMU has continually adapted to meet the evolving needs and standards of beauty. Professionals in the field, through their expertise and innovation, have not only enhanced individual aesthetics, but have also contributed to the broader understanding of beauty and self-confidence. As the field continues to grow, it is likely to see further advancements and wider acceptance as a mainstream beauty practice.